Hello, almost every website on the internet fails accessibility standards. And Shopify stores are among the worst. WebAIM scanned 1 million websites and found that the average Shopify store has 75 accessibility errors on every page. 71% of shoppers with disabilities leave inaccessible websites and never come back. That's over 1 billion potential customers representing $13 trillion in spending power. The European Accessibility Act is now in effect and ADA lawsuits continue to rise every year. Meet AC Accessibility Toolkit, the easiest way to improve your store's accessibility experience. Give every visitor the tools they need with text-to-speech, keyboard navigation, contrast modes, dyslexia support, disability profiles and much more. Accessibility isn't just compliance. It's better user experience, more customers and a more inclusive store. Check your accessibility score today and make your Shopify store work for everyone.